Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to screen share Opera GX without black screen on Discord. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, let's go ahead and open up a voice call. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on share your screen. Okay, make sure that your Opera GX is online or opened. And then once that's done, go ahead and find Opera GX right here. Make sure that you select applications, okay? And then click on share screen right here where Opera GX is available. So click on share. And then once that's done, as you can see here, we are now live sharing our Opera GX. As you may have noticed right here. Now, if you are having a problem where you got black screens, okay, don't worry. You can just go ahead over to the top right, click on this settings icon. Now click on the gear icon once more. And then once done, let's just go ahead and make it bigger. Now click on this 3 horizontal lines. Now just go ahead over to the bottom left, click on system. And just disable hardware acceleration, okay? Use graphic acceleration will enable. Disable this one. And then click on relaunch. And then just go ahead and reshare your Opera GX window under your Discord app, okay? That's basically it. That is how you screen share Opera GX without black screen on Discord. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.